good morning everyone, and welcome back to another video of M5. Today, see that box? A couple days ago I got delivery my custom steering wheel by Zeus, so that's gonna be looks pretty much the same like this one, but with more carbon, Alcantara, and gonna have a LED light on the top in the middle. So I'm going now to one of my mates. He gonna install new steering wheel for me, and yeah, we're gonna have a look how it gonna works. Hopefully it's gonna fit okay. Hopefully everything gonna works fine. Once again, steering wheel being ordered from Instagram. Zeus Steering, that's a guy who I believe done a great job. I never seen steering wheel yet. I haven't seen it yet, but we in a short way to check it, to install it, and see how it works. Do you want to open it?
No, you.
Hey, hold on.
Wow,
What do you think?
looks nice. It's just a cover, yeah?
Yeah. Well, it's an airbag. Just put it in here, and it's just the original all
Yeah.
buttons. What do you think? Is the quality better when you done before?
It looks same. All depends. Oh. It all depends on that hole. It looks fine.
I hope so. I very hope. I think that's for heating. I have a screen. He sent me information, you know. I have it on the phone. He says I have to be connected somewhere on the plus and minus or something like that.
So this too probably will be for that. This for heating.
Yeah.
Ah, it's 2 hours, yeah. Not
So I was asking, you know, you see that orange to match my interior.
Ah, yeah.
So it's actually should be looks very nice, you know. It's actually fucking, yes, feels good.
But it's like original, so it should fit perfect.
I hope so. I very hope. Because he says just put airbag over here, you know, like a cover, take a cover away, stick here and just close it. I actually thought, you see, the stroke. I thought it was looks on the picture not that good as it, you know, in the real, you know.
It's actually that plastic, like, you know. It's not OEM, I think. Maybe just no. Like you see all that. It just doesn't look perfect, like, no. Whenever I will take it off, you will see it's like completely different. Like you see all that stuff. That's what is my meaning, like, no, quality is not the best. But you're gonna see it. Most important, it's fit.
Yeah, as soon as that fits perfect.
No, perfect. You see, it's really tight. It's no movement, like,
So
you know,
that's
moving.
good.
Yeah, that's good. Another one.
Now I'm happy. I'm happy with that.
You know, that's tight and that's fine.
That's good.
You know.
That's good. That's good to hear that. So we're gonna take all them buttons away
everything.
and then put a new one. Yeah, it looks alright, you know, like a quality. Looks okay by finish. Hopefully it's gonna work well. Fun. So we're nearly there.
Yeah.
So we have a change everything. We change the airbag, all inside, put all the buttons, all controls and everything. Rewire LED.
Yeah.
Now ready. Now time put it back.
Yeah. Screw.
And actually, fitment, like you says, is all good. Go nice and tight.
Yeah, everything tight. Not like ours.
Invisible person. Yeah, it feels good. Showing RPM as well. Is it still airbag?
Yeah, I'm gonna delete the phone.
Oh yeah, yes. Yeah, it's showing perfect. Good job.
Nice.
Yeah, I like it. So,
Looks nice.
what's your opinion from 10? Quality of finish and a quality of like finish and a quality.
I will see like that. Idea of that, it's like really nice, but quality how it's made, I will.
From outside. I mean, from inside. When you install, it's made like
install whenever you, if you like, you know, you start watch like from all sides, I will say like 6 maybe 7, you know.
But if you just like a driver,
yeah, if you like probably like 8, 9.
Yeah, it looks nice.
It's not bad, like.
We have got few issues to install it with heating button, as if we put it straight, screws straight in holes. So basically, when you press it, a button was stuck, so we have to do like a wee pucker or something.
And I will see me no. Is that trim exactly same as OM? Though you actually can get like OM BMW carbon trim, you know?
Yeah, you probably can.
That makes like, you know, everything really nice and, you know.
Yeah, but overall, it's good.
For the money, I will say it's too expensive, definitely, you know.
Yeah, yeah, but that's good match on the lever and that I like that stroke, you know, and around that. So yeah, I like it. I think it's a great job.
That's most important, you know?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah, that's the thing. That's the key. Final step. Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome.
We'll probably see you maybe with next car, with some upgrades or something. Right, thanks, thank you. I will see you later, all the best. Fucking hell. Looks so nice. I mean, that's just like perfect. That's just perfect. At least it's changing the gears. Oh man. Yeah, so that's it. My opinion, a quality of a wheel, yes, pretty much very good. I'm happy enough the way it looks. I'm happy enough with Alcantara quality. A carbon looks very, very nice. LED lights and everything. So yeah, this is like top quality by Vicent. There's a few issues when we install it, but it's been all fixed. It's not a big deal. But yeah, overall, it's a great job. Big thanks to Zeus Steering on Instagram, and also huge thanks to a guy who installed it. He done a great job. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you like it. If you do, you know what you have to do. Subscribe and like it. Yeah, so stay tuned. Will be more videos on M5, more upgrades and everything. So we'll see you next video. Bye bye.